kayo sa isang heartbreak, no, for some of you. And then there is this person around you, no. I don't know if this person is expressing na or nararamdaman nyo na tong tao na to na may gusto sa inyo, no. But then, hindi niya masabi yung totoong nararamdaman niya, no. Kasi, feeling niya makaka-distract siya sa pain na nararamdaman mo right now, no, baby, because you are still healing pa, no, from the past relationship na pinanggalingan mo right now. So, ayaw niyang makaistorbo sa'yo right now, no. So, maybe this person is gusto niya mag-heal ka muna from the pain na nararanasan mo right now, no. So, maybe, yeah, you are in a healing process right now for some of you earth signs, no. So yeah, this person is just around the corner, no? Something like that, no? So maybe this one is, I don't know kung if this is your friend, no? Maybe. Kasi maybe alam niya yung mga nangyayari kasi sa'yo eh, something like that, no? But then, ayaw niyang makaistorbo sa healing process mo, no? So, maybe, I think, hihintayin lang ni person na ito, no? Ng person na ito na mag-heal ka, earth signs, no? So, and then, after that, he or she will tell his true feelings for you, no? So, take what's resonate lang, no? Sino lang makaka-relate dito, earth signs, no? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. So, yeah, that's it, the message ng inyong person on your mind, no? So, yeah, this person is on your mind, so, kilala mo na rin to, right? No? So, this person is may gusto sa'yo, no? Ang haba ng hair ng ating earth signs, no? So, tignan naman natin anong message ng inyong inner self, earth signs, no? Kuha rin tayo rito ng 2 cards for you para sa message ng inyong inner self. So, tignan natin. You have this earth sign, you have wisdom, no? So, for some of you, no, maybe, ano kayo, ang sinasabi ng inyong inner self is continue nyo lang kung ano tong magandang mga ginagawa nyo, no? For some of you, earth signs, no? Kumbaga, natutuwa sa inyo ang inner self nyo, no? Kumbaga, with this wisdom, no? You are full of wisdom. You can share your wisdom with the people around you. People who needs wisdom, you can share it, no? So, maybe you are an advisor, no? Advisor. So, for some of you, no? Life coach, no? So, you have a full, you are full of wisdom. So, sinasabi ng inner